Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I'm opening for you my subscription for the SCT sampler for January 2022. First sampler of the new year, and this is a great monthly subscription. I'm not sponsored by this company at all. I purchased the subscription. It's about $15 a month, and it's really fun to get a Papercrafting supplies of some new things in the mail every month. I really look forward to it. It looks like it's featuring the Simple Stories Good Stuff collection. So this is from Scrapbook and Cards Today, and it is about $15 a month. So they send you a variety of pieces from some of the new collections, and it looks as though it's focused primarily on simple stories. And we also have an SCT exclusive. And yeah, so that's nice. They often give you two different samples of collections. So it's nice that we'll have more things to create with from just this one collection here. It's written in the stars. For Tuesday, those are kind of random. I'm not sure what I'll do with those. Maybe that's a pretty layering piece. 12. Also a little bit random. Not sure if I'll be able to use those numbers or anything. Heck yes. I love pizza. Little smiley face. Oh, and hustle. And then these little enamel dots. Love those. Ooh, nice. Okay, so we have a bunch of cut-aparts. So these would make a fun album, good layering pieces. And if you don't like the journal side, then you could actually just use the fun paper. So good times, happy day. As you can see, it's got really pretty patterns. This is really a great deal when you consider the fact that shipping, beautiful, I love that polka dot paper. Of course, I love polka dot paper, polka dot mailbox. When you consider how you actually get something that you can use and something you can keep. And look at this. They've given, I love this. So this is an exclusive love die. I love that it has a shadow. That is great. That will really make the word stand out. Oh, that's amazing. I love that. And then it also comes with a stitched heart that you could also layer. And these are gorgeous because I love that detail that the stitching look gives to a project. Wow, that's spectacular. I love that. These are stickers. They're very, very thin. They're part of the sticker book. And then letters. Ooh, cute. This is real life. Beautiful and amazing. Let's do this. Okay, I really love that. That's super cute. Some really nice cut apart. Wow. Really nice cut aparts. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Yes? Nope. Oh, I like that. I like that a lot. It's going to be difficult to decide which side to use or what to do with this. There's so many supplies in this. Nice stripe. I'm loving Simple Stories lately. If you've noticed, my unboxing videos have gone from Crate Paper and Maggie Holmes to Simple Stories. And it may have something to do with the fact that the designer from Crate Paper went over to Simple Stories, which I didn't even realize when I started to be more drawn to their collections. And then I heard why. Be kind, be humble, be beautiful, be bold, be you. I know who that's for. Okay. I have a pen pal and that is perfect for her. Okay, so that's everything that came in the sampler. I'm sort of at a loss. Normally, as soon as I see a sampler, I'm immediately like inspired, like, oh, I know what I'm going to create with this. But this one, because it's so much, I'm almost not even sure. And you know what the funny thing is? The funny thing is, like, the less you have, the more you make, is what I have realized when it comes to like going to crops. Like I go to Scrapbook and Cards today, which is the same company here. I go there to their crops. I used to pre-COVID, and the less stuff you take with you, the more you get done, because you can't be busy hemming and hawing and sorting through papers and trying to find this, that, and the other thing. You have to be creative with the things that you have. And because this kit comes with so much, I almost feel a little overwhelmed. Like, what am I going to do with this? It's interesting, actually. I think this kit, some people maybe got dated cards. I think this card has calendars for every week of the month. And they seem to have given me these journaling cards instead, which I'm not mad about it because I quite like them. So yeah, I'm gonna have to put some thought into what to do with this beautiful package I've got here. So stay tuned if you want to see what I'm going to create with this and more. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see you again next time.